In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on your HostGator account using the cPanel. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your Chrome browser and log into your HostGator cPanel account. The cPanel is where you'll handle many of your website's administrative tasks, so it's great to become familiar with it. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of sections and tools. Don't be overwhelmed. We're going to focus on just what we need today. Scroll down the page until you locate the software section. Within this section, you should find the Softaculous Apps Installer. This is a powerful tool that simplifies the installation of applications like WordPress. Go ahead and click on Softaculous Apps Installer to continue. Once you're in Softaculous, you'll see a list of various applications you can install. For this tutorial, we're focusing on WordPress, which is prominently featured because it's such a popular platform. Click on the WordPress option. This step directs you to a new page with all the details about WordPress installation. Now you'll see the Install Now button prominently displayed. Click this button to start the installation process, and you'll be taken to a form where you'll need to enter some details about your new site. Let's fill in this form together. First, select the domain you want to use for your WordPress site from the drop-down menu. You can usually choose between different domains if you have more than one associated with your HostGator account. Once the domain is selected, enter your site name. This is the title of your site, so think about how you want it to be presented to your visitors. Next, you'll need to create an admin username and password. These credentials are crucial for logging into your WordPress dashboard later, so ensure they are secure and memorable. You might also have fields for an email, but focus on the essentials for now. At this point, you'll see options for selecting plugins or themes. Plugins add functionality to your site, while themes control its appearance. Choose any that catch your interest, or simply skip this step for now and customize later. WordPress makes it easy to add these elements at any time. After you've entered all your details and made any desired selections, click on the Install button. This will start the installation process. You'll see a progress bar indicating that WordPress is being installed, which usually only takes a minute or two. Finally, you'll receive a confirmation message once the installation is complete. Congratulations, you've just installed WordPress. You can now visit your new WordPress site by clicking on the link provided in the confirmation message or by navigating to your domain in the browser. Enjoy exploring and building your site.